I'm recording the music. I'm recording the music right now. Wait, once this is done.
Good evening and welcome to USAFA Live. You're about to witness the most amazing and singular 4-degree ceremony that we have at the Academy. The legendary door closing ceremony. Unfortunately, we've got a vision to watch this from. And here they are as they fall out. 1910, Tuesday night. You never know what might happen until the door closing ceremony begins. Notice how they're all cleanly shaven. Either due to they don't grow hair yet or they actually care. They're 4 degrees, it's hard to tell. Notice they keep their bearing no matter what happens. This is the most prestigious ceremony that you were able to do at the Academy. Every single one of these cadets was honor guard captain for at least 1 day before he is able to perform the door closing ceremony. The amount of bearing it takes is unbelievable. I am in awe of them.
Yeah, alright, you guys go whenever you're ready. They're waiting for the song. Wait, there's another song?
Yes. Damn, this is good stuff. Same practice. Detail. Arch. Watch as the ceremony begins. 4 degrees pivot around a central point, maintaining their dress and in step the entire time. Oh, and they stop together. Did you see that? Now watch closely. I believe the ceremony is ending.